In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an e-certificate in Canva. First, you will want to open Canva. This is where all the magic begins. As you enter the website, you will see a search bar at the top of your screen. In this bar, type the word certificate. This is important because it will help you find a variety of templates specifically designed for creating certificates. Once you press enter, a display of numerous certificate templates will populate the screen. These templates are crafted to save you time and provide a professional look. You will notice different styles, colors, and layouts, all designed to fit various occasions. Next, choose a certificate template that catches your eye. Take your time to browse through the options available. This step is crucial because selecting a template that aligns with the theme of your certificate sets the tone for the entire design. You want something that resonates well with the recipient and the purpose of the certificate. Once you find the right template, click on it. This will open the design editor where you can begin to personalize your certificate. You will see your selected template displayed prominently, ready for your custom touches. Now it's time to edit the text on your certificate. Begin with the certificate title. This could be something like Certificate of Achievement or Completion Certificate. Make sure it reflects the purpose of your certificate. Next, move on to the recipient's name. You can simply click on the placeholder text and type in the name. This personalization is essential as it makes the certificate meaningful and special for the recipient. After that, add a brief description which outlines what the certificate is for. You can also include the date of issuance. Lastly, add the issuer's name, which is typically the organization or individual awarding the certificate. At this point, you may want to enhance your certificate further by adding your logo and a signature. This is optional but can lend a more professional touch. To add your logo, look for the Uploads tab on the left side of the screen. Here you can upload your logo file. Drag and drop it onto your certificate where you see fit. If you want to add a signature, you can either use an image of your handwritten signature or utilize Canva's drawing tools. This step is important as it adds authenticity and personal flair to your certificate. Once you're satisfied with the content, it's time to customize the overall look of your certificate. You can adjust the colors, fonts, or borders to match your branding or personal preferences. This is a great way to ensure that your certificate stands out. Click on any text or element to modify its properties. This flexibility in customization is one of Canva's strengths, allowing you to create a unique design that reflects your vision. Now that your design is complete, let's move on to sharing your certificate. Click on the Share button located at the top right corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select Download. This is a crucial step because it allows you to save your hard work. A new window will appear, giving you options for the file type. Choose either PDF print for the best quality, ideal for printing, or PNG if you plan to share it online. After making your choice, click on the Download button. This will initiate the download process, and you will see your certificate being saved to your device. Congratulations, you have successfully created and downloaded your e-certificate using Canva. You can now share it with the recipient, ensuring they receive a beautifully designed acknowledgement of their achievement.